Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today, I'll show how to design a piston in four-stroke engine. This is a piston which is designed in Solidworks software. Today, I'll show how to design it in Solidworks. So, before going to start, I'm requesting everybody. If you did not subscribe my channel, I will Redesign Engineering. Please subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get the new videos and like, comment and share of this video. Now I'm going to start taking a new file. Part is selected, then OK. After that, I'm going here and taking MMGS units. Then top plane is taken. Go to the sketch and taking a circle. And the circle's diameter is taking 85 millimeters. Okay, 85. Okay. Then going to the features, extruder boss is selected. Then I'm taking it so that it's 90 millimeters upwards. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the image quality with the edit documents units and image quality, increasing the image quality. Then apply. Okay, done. After that, I'm click here and sketch. I'm drawing a circle, and diameter of this circle is 79 millimeters. 79 millimeters. Okay. After that, I'm going to the feature. Extruded card is selected. Then I'm going to the sketch plane and select the offset, and the distance will be 7.3, and it will be the reverse direction, and the blind will be 4.3, and I'm taking this one is the flip side to cut. I want to cut it outside, that's why I'm clicking here flip side to cut. Okay, done. And see, after that I'm going here and linear pattern is selected, then selected this one, and I'm taking the distance is 7.3 plus 4.3, enter, and I'm taking this one is the 3 and click on this axis, I mean this surface, then okay. Then see the ring, piston ring is created. After that I want to increase it, so I'm going to the insert, go to the features, and DOM command is selected. Before going here, I want to take another work. Select these portions and go into the sketch, and I want to sketch here. Pick and taking the diameter of the circle 76 millimeters. Okay. Then go to the features. Extruder card is selected. I'm taking this one is 85 millimeters. See, 85 millimeters. Okay. Then all is created. Then going to the insert and features, and DOM is selected. Click on the surface and DOM is created. You are watching the review. Now I am taking this one is 5 millimeters increased. Okay, done. See, the piston is then I'm going to the front plane sketch. I'm taking a center line from here to here. Right mouse click, select. Then taking a circle and sketching a circle here. And the distance from the dimension and the distance from here to here, it will be 27 millimeters, and diameter of the circle 33.8. Okay, then I'm taking this point and this point will be vertical. Okay, vertical. Done. After that, going to the features, extrude card is selected, and I'm taking both sides, all through all in both. Then okay. Now see, all is created. Again, I'm taking the right plane, go to the sketch, and go to here. Center line is taken. Sketching center line, right button and select. Then taking a line, creating a line here. Right mouse click. Okay. Then go to the mirror, select this line, and go to the mirror above on this center line. Then okay. After that, taking a line and joining to this point, right mouse click. Okay. And taking a 3-point arc. 3-point arc is selecting one point, another point, another point. Then okay. After that, I'm going to determine the dimension. Smart dimension is selected. Then okay. I'm taking this one is 12 millimeters, and taking this one is 50 millimeters, and radius of this arc is 40 millimeters. Then okay. After that, I'm going to the features. Extrude card is selected. Then I'm going to the blind and through all both selected. Now see. Then okay. Then I'm going to the fillet and selecting 4 edges. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And the radius will be 10 millimeters. Then okay. So done. See. Then going to the front plane, sketch, and selecting this one. Before going to the converted, it is selecting this edge. Okay. After that, I'm going to take a circle, sketch a circle whose diameter will be 45 millimeters. Then okay. See, that is not created. So again, selecting this edge and going to the convert entities, or canal is created. Then go to the features. Extruded boss is selected. Now see extruded. I'm going to the here offset. I'm taking this one is 19 millimeters. See, and I'm taking this one is the up next. Okay, up to next, and this one is this one. Then okay, we have created this portion. See, now I'm going to the mirror and going here, selecting the front plane, and boss extruder is selected. So okay, see. Then I'm going to select the materials, going here and appearance. Then see, I'm taking the steel, polished steel is taken, and I'm taking this color, okay, done. This one is taken. Now see, and I'm going here, piston and piston ring is done. Everybody are watching. If you think that you are benefited by watching this video, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. The Redesign Engineering is always with you. Thank you very much.